it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome, come on in, relax. Today we're going to be opening this box. Today is Tuesday, May 10th, 2022. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And I got this box from Dana at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. I'll have her channel linked below, of course. She is amazing. I love her. I just love you, Dana. I love you. All right. Sorry about my hair. It's actually a new style. It's called BH, the letters BH, which stands for bedhead. Anyway, I usually shower before I do a video because in case you have your smell-o-vision turned on, you know. Anyway, I was just excited to open this box because it came yesterday, and I couldn't record I couldn't record a video because hubby came home early from work. He's okay, don't worry. But yeah, he's so noisy. Anyway, yeah, so I put up a community post about this box, and it's I'm thinking of it as Happy Mail, and also it has to do with Christmas in July, Fairies 21. Now let me tell you just a quick little story. Last Christmas in July, we, well, Dana was choosing fairy numbers to send a gift to. And Stamper Wendy, hi Wendy, she actually nominated me because I had such a hard time getting a semi-finalist. The first two didn't respond to me, although I did comment on or reply to their comments in the giveaway video, and still no reply. So I had to draw a third person, and they contacted me. Yay! But yeah, it was quite the thing. So Stamper Wendy thought she would nominate me because of all the trouble I went through to find a semi-finalist. So Stamper Wendy sent me this gorgeous yarn. Gorgeous yarn, so I made a scarf with it. And I do have a tutorial for this pattern, so I'll link it below, of course. All right. Look at the tassels. Okay, get into the box. So Dana being so busy, I mean, she's a truck driver, and she's, yeah, she's just wonderful. So it took her a while to get it mailed out to me. It wasn't in transit for a year. But, yeah. She mailed this box to me, and I'm having a hard time getting into it. Let me just cut it off camera. All right, I have the box open. She told me it was going to be some products, and I'm not sure what else. But she sells Amway. So let's see. Come on, let's grow. Yeah, so I guess this is all about Amway. Booklet here. So you can order products through Dana, and I'm sure she has her links below her videos. Okay, now, oh, she's got stuff in this bag. Oh, this is nice. Looky, looky. Oh, it's an Amway bag. Nice. All right, so I think I'm just gonna pull everything out. Okay, let me put the box on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna dig through that bag in a minute. All right, more pamphlets from Amway. Oh, sorry, I just hit my knee on the table. All right, so I guess this explains everything. Essential Home Pre-Wash Spray Laundry Detergent. Cool. Got some reading to do. Optimal Health. Wow, these are quite the size magazines. Real Beauty, Artistry Signature Select, Personalized Serum. Yeah. So there's those. Okay. I'm going to take a look through those later, but let's just get into this bag. Okay. I'm not going to cover my eyes. I'm going to turn my eyes away and pull stuff out. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Glister Multi-Action Fluoride Toothpaste. Whitens teeth, fights cavities, freshens breath, removes plaques, safely cleans, promotes remineralization. Made in USA. Awesome. Is this an Amway? This is an Amway product. Yes, Glister. Awesome. Thank you, Dana. Oh, toothbrush. She's so cute. And this, I guess, is an Amway toothbrush. Yeah, Glister. That goes with the toothpaste. She's so cute. What is this? Oh. What do you call these things? Like a scrubby thing, you know, for scrubbing something. Yeah. Okay, now this one is dish drops and the LOC. That's I forget what that stands for, but you add water to these. Oh, those are cute little containers. Yeah, they're like soap, right? Well, yeah, dish drops. LOC. I think the LOC you can use to clean crochet items, correct? And many more things. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, what's this one? Amway Home Multi-Purpose Wipes. Cleaner wipes. 24 in here. This is great. I mean, this stuff I can use. Okay. Collagen Natural Cherry Berry Flavor Beauty Collagen hyaluronic acid and acerola dietary supplement, 89 milliliters. Natural cherry berry flavor by Nutrilite. Awesome. I'll have to read all the information on the back later. It's very tiny. All right. What's next? That little baggie. Ooh, what's this? 2 loads. AFB. 2 loads. So would that be laundry detergent? It's funny this didn't get hung up at the border. If they x-rayed it. What is that in there? Oh my goodness. There's so much stuff in here. Ooh. G&H Protect Bar Soap. Another Amway product. Can always use soap. This is like a never-ending bag. Hand cream. Oh, definitely. G&H Nurse hand cream. Could always use hand cream. I have a hand cream in every room of my house. Like a pair of scissors in every room of my house. Yes. Oh, what's this? Oh, no. Says SA8, 1/8 cup load. Okay, really? Why didn't this get held up at the border? Why wasn't there a whole investigation into this? Maybe they're sitting outside my door since I've received it and they're probably like gonna bust in my door any minute. I'm just kidding. I watched that show, Catch a Smuggler, so yeah. At the airport, yeah. Okay, this is awesome. I love this. Oh, gee. These are a couple of bricks. ADT, a couple of bricks. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's this one? Go Shield elderberry lemon with other natural flavors, immunity, vitamin C, zinc, and elderberry dietary supplement. 2 gummies. Oh, gummies. Gummies. Okay. Hey, that's it. That's it. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, thank you so much. You know, I could use all of these, of course. And, yeah, so check out Dana, and I'm sure she has a link or something on her YouTube page or her under her videos maybe. If you're interested in any of these products. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to have to read up on all these. And thank you so much, Dana. This is awesome. This is awesome. So I'm going to put them all back in the bag and I'm going to read the information. Yes. Smells so good. Ooh. Ooh. This soap smells amazing. Thank you so much, Dina. And thank you, Stamper Wendy, for nominating me and for sending me this beautiful yarn to make this whatever I wanted. And I made this gorgeous scarf. All right, I think I'm going to try this toothpaste in a little while. Right now I'm drinking my coffee out of my moo cup. Were you guys having something to drink while you watched this video? This is hubby's moo cup. Moo, moo, moo. Yeah, so, all right, so that's it. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'm working on a couple of tutorials for tank tops. And because my mind is so full of designs, I started designing something last night. See, when I can't record because hubby's so noisy, that's when I do a lot of designing. And anyway, so watch for those tutorials. And Hobie, I'm getting their lucky bag. It's supposed to be here Friday. Maybe it'll come sooner than that. But Friday's the 13th. Yeah, so it's those lucky bags of the cakes. I'm excited. What else do I have? I have a couple more Happy Mails coming. I'm excited about those. I'm just excited. I'm always excited. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.